If you don't see incoming calls on Xiaomi 17, here's what you can do to try to solve this issue. So first of all, what we can do is we can check if we have DND mode activated. The easiest way to check that is by simply opening settings. Then over here in settings, we can go to the sound and vibration. And then in here we have do not disturb. Of course, if DND mode is activated, you might not be able to see incoming calls. Maybe only if you have like exceptions, if like your favorite contacts are trying to call you, you might be able to see them, but otherwise those incoming calls might not be displayed over here. So of course, check DND settings. In addition to that, what you can also do is you can go to app settings. So over here in settings, if we scroll down, we can go to apps. And then here in apps, we should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we can choose show all apps. This allows us to see system apps. Over here, we're gonna use the search field. And first we're gonna type phone. There we go. Now over here in the phone app, we can go to the phone app itself. And here what you want to do is you want to force stop the app. Next, you want to go to the app permissions and you want to make sure that all of these permissions that you can see over here are allowed. You can also check those that are not allowed in order to ensure that the list is full. You should have at least these. Besides that, we should be able to go to notifications, and of course notifications are supposed to be enabled. You can make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled, the sound and vibration is also on. And we can also find notification categories, so we have, for example, incoming calls, which cannot be deactivated, so that's a good thing, but just in case you can of course check. Alright, so now over here we should be able to go back and we're gonna tap on clear data in the bottom right corner and then we can clear all data in here and confirm your choice. Alright, the next app that we're gonna check is the Hyperphone over here. In this case you just want to tap on clear data and you want to clear all data. There we go. Now let's go back. We can go to phone and messaging storage. Tap on clear data or clear cache. So if you cannot clear data, then just clear cache. There we go. Let's go back. And then in here we have phone services. And just like before, we're gonna tap on clear data and we want to clear all data. Unless you can't, then of course clear cache. And then we have Xiaomi phone. So here, if you can, you want to clear data or clear cache. All right, besides that, we can also switch the text from phone to call, just in case, to see if there's more. And there is one, manage calls. So I'm gonna go over here, clear data, clear everything, of course, and let's press OK. And once we are done with that, you can go to the phone app. And here we should be able to see now if incoming calls can be shown. You might see small differences in the appearance of the phone app because we pretty much cleared all the data that we have in there. But they shouldn't really have an impact on calls themselves. And after a short amount of time, the app should be updated back into its latest version. And also, last thing that you can do is you can simply restart your phone. You want to reboot it because sometimes even rebooting can be quite helpful. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.